बताना नहीं चाह रहा।
चीन टपाक डम डम।
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Talal Shkeel and I'm working in 24/7 from last 1.5 years almost. And I'm working here as a team lead in the credentialing department. Favorite things at work, I believe जो communication हम लोग कर रहे होते हैं या जो काम कर रहे होते हैं और जो नई नई चीज़ें हमें सीखने को मिलती हैं वो बड़ा अच्छा होता है। और जब कभी ऐसा एक अनएक्सपेक्टेड सा स्ट्रेस एक आ जाता है काम के दौरान तो उसके साथ भी डील करने में बड़ा मज़ा आता है। तो आई थिंक ये चीज़ें ऐसी हैं जो मैं बड़ी इंजॉय करता हूँ ड्यूरिंग वर्क। हाँ, बिगेस्ट अचीवमेंट काफ़ी हैं अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह। एक तो ये है कि अल्लाह ने बड़ी इज़्ज़त दी है और ये मैं समझता हूँ एक बहुत बड़ी अचीवमेंट है। अदर दैन दैट अगर काम के हवाले से देखा जाए तो मतलब विद इन 1 ईयर मैं एज अ टीम लीड प्रमोट हुआ हूँ। तो आई बिलीव ये एक बहुत बड़ी अचीवमेंट है क्योंकि ऐसा किसी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में नहीं होता। इवन बहुत से डिज़र्विंग लोग भी होते हैं जो काम कर रहे होते हैं बट उनको इतनी अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ नहीं इतनी जल्दी मिलती। तो आई बिलीव ये एक बहुत अच्छा पार्ट है 24/7 का। फॉर मी द सक्सेस इज़ कि अगर आप मतलब जो टास्क आपको दिया जाता है, सक्सेस एक पूरी लाइफ में मैं कंसिडर नहीं करता हूँ। आपकी डेली लाइफ में जो डेली रूटीन में जो आप चीज़ें अचीव करते हैं, प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करते हैं ड्यूरिंग वर्क या उसके अलावा भी, तो आई बिलीव वो आपके लिए एक सक्सेस है छोटी छोटी चीज़ों में भी। जो हालात चल रहे हैं उनके मुताबिक इंक्रीमेंट, बट प्रमोशन जो है, पोजीशन जो है वो ही बहुत मैटर करती है। तो आई बिलीव दोनों साइमल्टेनियसली चल रहे हैं, दोनों ज़रूरी हैं। The time I try to search, so I find 24/7 as a very good place to start my career or boost my career. The reason behind was that because I've done some market research, so the dynamics on the market is same almost for every company. But when I tried to search for 24/7, so things were very different. So that actually hits me, and I said I tried to become a part of 24/7. I believe the working environment is very good because whenever we have any sort of problem during work, so it's nothing like that we are not able to reach anyone, even if we had concerns to deal with any of the higher management, if we wanted to inform them anything. So that is the very easy and good access for us. Oh, there are a lot of events. I believe the annual functions which were held. Other than that, there was last year was the Mango Festival. It was very good. But I believe the most prominent was the 24/7 Premier League, the cricket league, which happened season 1. So I believe that was the very great event which was organized by 24/7. Skip. बताना नहीं चाह रहा। The best thing about this company is that like the communication, like I don't believe there is any sort of communication gap. That is a very good part which makes 24/7 a part in the industry from as compared to the other companies. And the second thing is that there are a lot of events, a lot of activities are going on within the company every year, every few months. So that is a very good thing. It help a lot all of the employees to release their stress. So that is, I believe, the very, very good part. So the exciting part of the job is that the new things which are implementing in credentialing department, as well as the new rules and regulation which are implementing every month, I believe. So that is a very good part because it's a lot of things which we are learning. New things, so we keep ourselves up to date, and we also inform the other departments as well that what are the new rules and regulation implemented by the government or by the healthcare industry. So I would like to advise them that there are two things they need to keep with them. The first thing is patience. That is very important. And the second thing is to gain knowledge. So these two things I believe are the most important if you start in this industry. I don't think so there is anything we need to change, but maybe if there is any sort of communication gap, that needs to be eliminated. I joined this industry back in 21. It was an accident, I believe. But after that, when I started working, try to learn things, and when I saw that there's a lot of scope within this industry, so I just wrote out it so that I can, learn as much as possible. So the skills, I believe, is the knowledge. That is the very important part. And the second thing is that the communication, because these two things are linked with each other. If you have the knowledge, then you can communicate whatever the knowledge you had. Other than knowledge, if you have communication, you cannot do anything. You cannot be succeeded. Nahin bhai. I think I don't know why, but Naeem bhai, I just want to see what his role and what his life as a CEO, what sort of pressure and what sort of work he had throughout his day, what he does. So I believe just that I want to experience. I believe I just want to disappear or vanish. That's it. Just if there is anything, if because I have to be on work at any cost because of the responsibilities and workload which I have, so I cannot take off. I can, but the workload gets double because of the nature of the work. So I believe I will just vanish myself for a day or two, and just like that. वो आजकल एक बड़ी फेमस हुई
चीन टपाक डमडम
बोली. So please like, subscribe, and press the notification button. Thank you.